Hello, this is Jason Hodges with AgTerra. In this video, we're going to review how to set up your equipment, your spray rigs, within your SprayLogger system. Once you go to the SprayLogger website, you'll go to Administration, Equipment, and then Spray Rigs. From here, any pre-existing spray rigs you have, you can see and you can edit as you need to. In this case, we're going to go and add one from scratch. So I'm going to hit Add New Spray Rig. Here we can assign it a number. So I'm just going to do 20. And this is not going to show up on your description. This is for order number that we have on the other side of on the other page. So description is where we're actually going to give it a name. When the vehicle was calibrated, I'll put yesterday. What's my calibrated gallons per acre? This does 30. You don't have to put billing, but you can if you want to. And what is my default boom width? What's my my default spray pattern? And I'm going to say this is a 20-foot spray pattern. And then what SprayLogger box do I have assigned to this? What do my spray colors look like and no spray colors look like? Once I'm done, I can hit create. That will then take me back to the main page where I can then see it in my system. I'll search for it. There we go. I have my truck and my ATV. If I want to make any adjustments to this, I can hit edit. And then from here, I can adjust these signed SprayLogger number and all my other details as I need to. Once I'm done, I can hit save. Thank you very much. This has been Jason Hodges on how to add a spray rig to your SprayLogger system.